Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So I am back today with another video, and in today's video we will be featuring Ashimary Hair. Big shout out to Ashimary Hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So today we have this gorgeous number 30 lace front wig. She is straight texture. This is a 13x4 180 density. So a few specs on this wig. You can actually purchase this anywhere from 10 inches to 34. 34, baby. If they would have sent me this 34, I would have been on here acting an absolute fool, okay? So you can purchase this in a 4x4, a 13x4, or a 13x6 in 180 or 250. So I love that they give you that option of 250, especially when you go up in the lengths. You definitely want a lot more hair, because the longer the hair, the less, you know how it goes. So as far as the construction of this wig, I wanted to point out that this is a true 13x4, and I absolutely appreciate the true 13x4s so much. Like, you don't understand, a lot of these frontal wigs that are being mass produced as of lately, you barely get parting space. And don't get me wrong, depending on the look that you're going for, you don't require a full parting space on the sides. But I know me personally, if I'm going to get a frontal, I want to be able to part that frontal from ear to ear all the way to the back. So big shout out to Ashimary for getting the 13x4 right. Not to mention, they also offer her in a 13x6. So if you're that girl, you can get her in a 13x6 all the way to 34 inches and a 250. Okay, so keep in mind that this is a straight texture hair, but as you can see, I was able to achieve some really nice waves with this hair. This hair held a real nice curl. I don't even recall having to use a hairspray or a holding spray. So just keep that in mind. I did cut light layers into this hair because I knew that the look that I wanted required a little bit of volume. I do show you how this would look in like a center part. It's a real cute look, but I do center parts a lot, so I figured I'd do something different. So that's why we went with the side part. As far as the construction and the fit of this wig, you get plenty of room. I can really appreciate a good fitting wig, because if the wig doesn't fit correctly, you're not going to be able to achieve the install that you desire. It's just like, big shout out to Ashimary for getting it right when it comes to color, construction, size, and the way to 34. All the links will be down in the description box, as well as a discount code in the comments. But big shout out to Ashimary for sponsoring today's video. Big shout out to y'all for watching another wig video. Like, y'all really keep it going over here. Like, I appreciate it so much. But until next time, bye.
I need you to roll up in that shit like you skating. Baby, ain't no hold up on that shit, I hate waiting. Shoot your shot on the page. This type shit, heavy violent. Last minute trips to the islands. Drip, drip, drip when you're sliding. Dip, 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 baby, riding. your body. We can't just keep talking about it. We think too often about it. We can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me you outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get wild.
Dímelo, turn me round. Treat me like a watch, bust me down. On the kitchen floor, right on that towel. It's my dick and I want it now. How? Tell me how you want it. Put me on my back, on my stomach. Baby, let me blow it like a trumpet. I could do it all. I could probably suck a watermelon through a straw. Believe me, every other day, new wig, new hair. Come take me out, just move glare. I be waiting on you with some lingerie. Drop this pussy down low like bombs. Away, boom. Nothing but a robe in your house. I wanna put these pretty pink clothes in your mouth. Send news to your phone while you working. Boy, you gotta see this shit in person, believe me.
We can't just be talking about it. I want you from inside it. We can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me you outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get wild.
Talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, I love to be like. Say every day together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you go by. Yeah, if you leave I go stroking your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Girl, you want it to me.